Welcome to the VR Aircraft Towing Program. This tutorial room will familiarize you with the HTC Vive Cosmos controllers and interact with objects. To move around, rotate the joystick on the left controller and rotate the... In order to grab objects, press and hold button number. You have completed the tutorial for the controls of the HTC Vive Cosmos controllers. There are interactable objects behind you to try out and experiment. After trying out, click on the next button to proceed to the FOD pickup tutorial. Welcome to the Foreign Object Debris Pickup tutorial. In this tutorial, various types of there are 3 different types of foreign object debris bins. After clearing the foreign object debris, in order to complete this tutorial, all boxes in the checklist must be ticked. Welcome to the towing tutorial. First, you will learn the controls of the Logitech G29 steering wheel and apply it in this tutorial. For accelerating and reversing, the tow truck has 3 different gears of to connect the tow bar to the aircraft, press the square, making sure to complete the towing tutorial, the essential first step is to release the aircraft brakes. Afterwards, align the tow truck to the nose landing gear of the aircraft and drive slowly towards the nose landing gear. When the UI pops out, connect using the steering wheel. While towing, do adhere to the speed limit of 15 km per hour and a maximum towing angle of 45 degrees. Also, turn at a slow and steady pace and look out for moving vehicles on the way. You are able to use the steering wheel to connect the tow. Follow the arrows on the ground to the outlined destination and park the aircraft perfectly till the UI pops out to finish the tutorial. You have exceeded the towing angle limitation of 45 degrees. Turn. You have exceeded the speed limit of 15 kilometers per hour. Slow down immediately. You have exceeded the towing angle limitation of 45 degrees. You have completed the towing tutorial. However, in the assessment mode, do take note that when the tow truck collides with the aircraft, or the aircraft collides with any structures, it would be an immediate failure.